Guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this phone I picked up on eBay. It is a Verizon phone, which I kind of already have one of these, but not really. It is the Alias 2, but it's a updated version, so it's, I think it's the U5 or 750, I think is what the other one is, and this one's like the 760 or something. It might be wrong. No, it's the 750, but it's just got a different front design. The front display is different from the other ones, which I don't know me. So this is just kind of like a quick unbox. I think it's probably dead. No micro SD card. I didn't think there would be. Yeah, this is a little different than the other ones. I'll have to see if I can throw a picture and I'm comparing them real quick when I do the end of this video. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.